Anthropic just blinked. And Claude subscribers are getting a permanent fix to the Fable 5 lockout that had the AI community furious for weeks. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Monday, July 20th, 2026. In AI news today, Anthropic just put out the fire it started after abruptly cutting off Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5 access, citing a U.S. government export directive. Subscribers revolted. Now Anthropic is rolling out a permanent reduced cap model, meaning you keep access, just with limits. It's damage control, but it's something. Also in tech news, SpaceX wants to power the Pentagon's AI ambitions. According to the Wall Street Journal, Elon Musk's rocket company is deep in negotiations for a multi-billion-dollar deal to provide data center compute capacity to the U.S. Defense Department. The line between big tech, space, and national security just got even blurrier. From Alibaba, Qwen 3.8 is about to go open weight, and the numbers are staggering. We're talking 2.4 trillion parameters, with Alibaba claiming near-frontier performance that rivals the best closed models out there. Once those weights drop publicly, independent researchers can stress test those claims. The open-source arms race just leveled up. Also from China's AI scene, Moonshot AI just dropped Kimi K3, a 2.8 trillion parameter open-source model that the company says rivals OpenAI and Anthropic's best. It's currently the largest open-weight AI system ever released. China isn't just catching up in closed models. It's going open source and daring the world to benchmark it. Finally, OpenAI's CFO Sarah Frier wants to kill the token. She's proposing a new enterprise AI scorecard built around useful intelligence per dollar, measuring what AI actually gets done, not how many tokens it burned doing it. For enterprise buyers, this reframes the entire procurement conversation, and conveniently it favors the labs with the best models. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Anthropic's reduced cap access compromise in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.